Welcome to issue 75 of Building the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series, just like what it says there. Yes, in this issue, we're doing some more of the interior cockpit bit, the back behind the seats, after looking at Scat, Dawn, Catwoman, which is episode 75, as you can imagine, because this is issue 75. Yes, this was from January 25th, 1967, and obviously stars Catwoman. Yep, there we go. Hoist on our own petard. I don't know what a petard is. I used to, but I can't remember. The Knights of the Beast is from the Great Batman comics. And in Batman 02, we're looking at the 10-cent adventure. Batman's alter ego is a fugitive from justice. That's never good. So there we go. That's all of that. Feel free to zoom in, pause, rewind, do whatever you need to do if you want to read all the words. But I'm mainly here for the building. So this is what we've got, the rear deck for the cockpit section. It's got air intakes on it. So basically we're going to fit the air intakes to the deck section. It's intakes with brackets over them or under them. And then that's fitted to the back behind the seats. It's all this back sort of motif as ever. So yeah, won't take long. Let's get this out of the way and get it done. So here we are. We've got our main panel. We've got two of the same bits. Yeah, they are in fact identical. And the air intake bits, and two different types of screws. CP is what we're going to use to hold it in place. We're going to use these APs to hold the air intakes in place first. So let's get to the last one of those. What I will be using is the entire cockpit piece that we've built. This is basically going to go on the back there like that. But first of all, we've got to get these installed. So we are first of all fitting. Let's just double check the order. I checked the screws, but I didn't check the order. Yes, these pieces are going in first, and they have to go the right way round on there, like so. Yeah, they've got notches on the inside there, which is where these are going to slot through. They will go that way up as well. So that goes in there. And then that piece will go. No, it won't go over the top. Yes, wait, what? Cover over with the bracket, yes. Oh, it's got to go that way round. So that's going to go over there like that. Looks a bit strange, but it's all about the top bit. So let's see if this is going to go in there. Goes through there and into there. And the other one goes underneath it in exactly the same way. So that should be that. I thought there'd be something holding the silvery chrome bit down, but it's not. It's held down by this, holding the top part of it. Yeah, not quite what I was expecting, but it works. It's in there, and you can see the air intake in the back there for the back air conditioning, no doubt. So this one is going to go on the other side in exactly the same way, and I'll get that the same way up. Not that you can really see these into there anyway, but you know, get that the right way up. So we've got this underneath. And that on there like that. It's strange that they're both going the same way. I was expecting them to be, you know, symmetrical rather than identical. There you go. There's probably a reason for it, even if that reason is because it's cheaper to make it that way. So that one in there and that one in the top. and the last screw in. Well, I say the last screw, there's 2 more to do, because now we've got to attach this to that. And for that we need these 2 CP screws. So they line up with these 2 holes there, with those 2 bits there, like that. So that one on there, with that screw in that side, and the same on the other side, obviously, as well. So get this over in there, and that is that. So we've started putting the back panel on there. I'll get those tightened up so that's nice and secure, and next time we'll continue on in much the same vein. So stick around, I'll see you for more of this very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.